Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, my favorite place ever, the racetrack. So unfortunately I do not give you guys an intro. As soon as I got here, I had to go in and race, but I've already done one pass, guys, and
yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020.
as you guys can see right here on the screen, I had a 166 60 foot. My 8th mile per hour was 100 miles per hour, and my quarter mile time, guys, 11:08 at 127. So as you guys can see, I am super close to that 10.9. So this is very exciting. So you guys are wondering, wait Ted, last week you ran 11.1, today you're running 11.0, and that is because I realized I actually had my spare wheel and tire in my trunk. I forgot it in there, and also I removed my catback exhaust. So with that being said, so I've saved a lot of weight, basically the spare tire and the exhaust. So hopefully I'll get that 10.9 tonight, we'll see. But stay tuned, we're about to go in again. It's gonna be a very good video. Let's go. Alright guys, it's the next day. Unfortunately I didn't get some good video because I was there by myself. My brother was not there to record for me, so all you guys are gonna see is the draggy videos, which is okay, you know, because I didn't actually run my 10.9 time, still 11.0. So let me show you guys the car right now. So as you guys can see, the car, no exhaust, man. This thing looks crazy. So like I said, I removed the catback, so I still have my catless connection pipes. Of course, for the secondary O2 sensors, it's still there. Let me see if I can get down here and show you guys. So y'all see that right there? No catback. Good thing there's some heat shield protection right there. So I'm sure it's okay. There's a lot of shielding over here, as you guys can see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a cold start just so you can hear how it sounds with no exhaust. It's not as loud as you guys think. The exhaust actually makes it louder, so it's just obnoxious sound. Here it is. The track's calendar is full with other events on the Fridays, so no more Friday street racing until the 11th. So you guys are not gonna see any more racing videos for a couple weeks. This is the last one, but I'm still gonna be thinking about what videos to make for you guys. So if you have any suggestions or comments, let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos I should make in the meantime, because I can't be racing. And what you guys want to see on the Mustang, let me know. But without further ado, guys, as always, I will see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Peace.